If you were a pizza topping, what topping would you
Topping?
be? Yeah. If you were that pizza topping.
Jalapeno.
Why?
I add spice to the pizza.
It's not spicy. It
It
adds a
has
little-
flavor, like
थोड़ा सा एक लात.
ah,
एक
A
लाख.
little- What would you be? You look like a piece of broccoli right now.
I would be broccoli. I think broccoli
ब्रोकली
is cool.
पिज्जा पे कौन डालता है भाई?
No, I think I would be one of the unhealthy ones. I think I'll be bacon.
Bacon.
Yeah, maybe bacon. Bacon or ham.
You can go ham on it.
Yeah. I feel like those two.
You go
maybe
baby
bacon.
corn.
yeah.
Baby corn.
That's what you eat.
Baby corn, yugu.
Something better than a baby corn, bro. No
Baby
but
corn
you'd be a
है.
baby corn
vegetarian thing only.
निकाल के साइड में रख देते हैं लोग.
Exactly.
No one has it at home. I would say a solid, maybe capsicum.
I thought baby corn is better.
क्या था इसका? Farmer's Delight.
We're back to
Capsicum.
that.
If you get really rich, you
Farmhouse,
will,
Farmhouse.
Yeah.
क्या?
If you get really rich, you will become bell pepper.
Bell pepper.
हाँ, started
I
off as
wanted to say,
capsicum. Yeah, starting
I
off as
wanted
a
to say bell
capsicum.
pepper only. I couldn't get there. Capsicum is fine.
What are you?
I'm the cheese, bro.
That's not a topping.
It is a
It's
topping.
a necessity.
Exactly.
अलग गेम
No, we mean an additional. Like
हाँ मेन तो सब में
main
होता है
तो,
भाई.
हाँ, वो तो है
सब में
मतलब.
नहीं भी होता है वैसे भाई.
सब लोग cheese है.
सब में चीज नहीं
में
होता.
cheese.
Prashant is the tomato sauce under the cheese. Because without the tomato sauce, that would be.
I thought it says
नहीं,
the
हम-
crust.
crusty
पीछे
motherfucker.
का part.
जला हुआ.
I didn't need that.
Why
word,
is he
but-
taking shots all the time? नहीं यार,
Push
Pasha,
the
you
bottom
are,
of the pizza.
The base.
Pasha, you are the base of our pizza. अब तू बता तू कौन सा topping है?
I'm that plastic chair. they put on the- I stopped the lid from hitting the pizza.
Damn. Protector.
Yeah.
Damn, that was deep, bro. You should tell your
That's crazy,
therapist
bro.
this.
It's so crazy that.
सीधा जवाब देना आता नहीं
But
है.
एक टाइम पे ये सब BuzzFeed quiz देख के सब
Yeah.
like, what pizza would you be?
That
What
was-
burger are you? What
bro,
sandwich are
that
you?
Which show are you?
That was
Crap
the
like that.
content to consume in the
Yeah.
world. कि यही content है.
But you guys used to really do those quizzes and
We'd
stuff?
see them like which character are you from the
Bro,
show.
see,
whatever.
this social media game from the start has just they've
There's no
played
space
on
for me.
relatability. Okay, so even before Facebook, there was Orkut. Orkut mein there used to be communities, and the community would be like Maggie lovers community.
Fuck, I should have joined.
Ketchup lover, you should have
और फिर
joined.
उसके बाद Facebook पे
ketchup
there
lover.
would be pages
Hmm.
which would be like the page का title would be right now it would just be a meme. So the title would be when you ask your best friend for something and then they say this and people are liking that page because उतने सारे posts नहीं थे वो time पे कि तुम एक post बनाओ और फिर सब उस पे like और comment
Yeah,
करेंगे. So
yeah,
they would make a whole page based on one very specific feeling.
Niche, yeah.
और उस पे फिर
That used to come in your interests and likes on Facebook.
yeah.
That used to be so stupid.
Damn.
We'd all do it.
वही अभी
Hey,
reels
I
के इसमें
didn't
देख
know
रहे हैं ना अपन. It's in video format now.
But now, like,
It was the same emotions and feelings.
yeah, but now the quantity is so much.
हाँ मतलब.
कि भैंचोद एक second में you're seeing all these emotions.
Yeah. Fuck.
Too much fun though.
In the past week, I have cut down on my scrolling.
You've done well from since the last time we checked.
Yeah. Last time I got a wake up call here.
What was the count?
5-6 घंटा दिखा रहा था भाई.
On Instagram?
Yeah. Minimum.
A day?
Yeah. There were days where it was 9 hours also.
Oh man. Oh,
It's
that's
bad, bro. It's very bad.
So I was like, at what point in my day am I supposed to get any work done?
Hmm.
अगर 9 घंटा Instagram में जा रहा है तो.
That's like 1/3 your day.
More than that, no, because you're not
You're not
staying
even
awake for
sleeping.
24 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So then I cut down. So now it's better. My brain is slightly opening. Like I'm thinking about things that I haven't thought of in
Yeah.
years.
Yeah.
Creativity is also just unlocked थोड़ा थोड़ा. कि अगर कुछ सोचना है तो कुछ आ जाता है भाई idea. I was like, fuck, it's been so long since I've had an original idea.
Yeah.
So I would recommend.
Taking a break.
Yeah, like you should uninstall Instagram, install it like once a day. Go to Untriggered Podcast, watch whatever they've posted, like everything, and install.
Yeah.
Follow only
That's
one
what I
account.
do, and it's a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Same.
I've-
Substances also have cut out fully.
Fully.
Yeah, substances are always bad.
When for kind music, I did substance. Matlab, I drank quite a bit over there.
Okay.
But at a concert, you should drink, yaar.
Concert, you should drink. You should drink if you feel like drinking. You should.
Yeah, I believe in, I'm pro-choice. So if someone wants
Free
to
will,
do
bro,
whatever.
free will. क्यों है अपने पास?
So free will only got me in this situation now where I have to like now
Cut
down,
back.
cut back on everything.
Free will के pros and cons भी उतने ही है भाई. If you have free will, you will maybe you can get on the dark side of things also.
Yeah,
Yeah.
shit was dark, bro.
9 hours a day on Instagram.
Yeah.
No, yeah, but 9 hours is very bad, yeah.
क्या हो गया? Okay.
Okay, sir. इसको अभी हमने पिज्जा बेस बोल दिया तो बुरा लग रहा है उसको.
But he's like the glue of our.
He's
got a knife over there.
चाकू लेके
So
बैठ
I'm
गया.
just being nice to him.
अच्छा.
Good, yeah, smart.
No, you should be nice to people, animals. You should be nice to everyone.
You should always be nice to animals,
Yeah, you
especially.
shouldn't adopt a dog and abandon it after 3
You
days.
shouldn't.
Yeah.
Not even 3 days. 1 day.
You're
One
not
day.
a,
No
Yeah.
way.
who will
One day you.
Imagine you just hear this somewhere. Like you adopt a dog and then you.
No, wait.
But अगर एक दिन में-
You basically make the dog travel for 24 hours, come to your house.
There's a breeded dog.
No. And then you look at it and then you're like, you know what? I can't handle this. But you've made 4 reels in the meanwhile saying, oh, my dog.
Who's it?
I'm a parent.
Who's it?
Dog mom. Let me speak.
This is someone. It's not important who it is.
You do all of this. And then the next day you're like, you call up the people from where you adopted and you're like, you know what? Actually, we can't take care of this. So you put it in a train and again send it back for 24 hours.
To the foster place you
Yes.
got it from.
Damn.
How do you... I'm at loss for words.
He sounds like when Arnab is upset at something.
Yeah, genuinely, like, I was so disappointed when I found out the story.
Yeah.
Yeah, tell me the full story.
Yeah, now we can tell the full story in detail.
Of this scumbag of a person.
See, I told you he's gonna get pissed.
There
No,
is
it's
this,
not, yeah.
There is this creator who made like a creator who makes content like just basic. I don't know how to categorize creators like that. They call them
she's a-
lifestyle creators.
Yeah, she's a female
Creator.
content creator who
Yeah.
makes
Why do I say your
lifestyle-based
name?
content.
You know,
It's not, yeah,
like,
it's not.
I don't want that kind of drama.
Yeah.
I want to leave it for open to.
Yeah, but people obviously will know who you're talking about.
Of course.
So let them know.
Which is
They should know.
So why can't we just be upfront? And
I don't talk about other girls.
ठीक है.
good one.
ठीक है, then tell me what happened at least.
Maybe we
Arey,
can
so-
give her a name.
Arey, so
No,
okay,
no.
this Shrishti, she got this dog. She got this dog and she made content about this dog that we've adopted a dog. I think it's her and her boyfriend.
So basically, I don't think she lives with her boyfriend, I don't know. But she and her boyfriend wanted to adopt a dog. And they have reached out to this agency that they've seen it on stories that there's this dog, stray puppy, that is, it's an indie breed. So she's reached out to them saying, yo, listen, we want to take care of the dog. We'd love to adopt it. And I think the dog was like 2 or 3 months old. So these guys, they've seen that she's a content creator. She's big. So I don't think they've done a background check. I don't think so. I don't know. I must be wrong. They've done all of this. No, I'm just assuming भाई कोई तो भी famous दिख गया तो थोड़ी ना background check करने
You're
वाला
like, I must be wrong.
है. I might be wrong.
Yeah.
Might. Sorry, I meant might. So
I am wrong.
I am wrong.
I must be wrong.
Background check करते हैं क्या कुत्ता देखने
No
के
one
लिए?
fucking
They do,
background
they
check
do,
should,
they do,
bro.
they do,
Ideally
they
you
do.
should.
It's
Ideally you
standard
should.
practice.
मेरे लौड़े का कोई चेक करता है bro.
तेरे
लौड़े का background check
Nobody fucking checks shit bro.
क्या लेना
Nobody-
देना है कुत्ते से?
Nobody fucking checks anything.
Okay,
Before
anyway.
adopting a dog.
No. It's like fucking Blinkit. You call one guy, he's a breeder. You say, I want this. He'll show you pictures, and then you go and fucking. This is how this business people are.
Like arranged marriage.
It's like that.
Yeah. Anyway, so
Maybe
No
there's no
background
money
check.
involved.
so
Photo
this
दिखाओ बस.
this dog was basically hurt. The paw was hurt of the dog. Someone had run it over or something. So they were like, okay, the dog is healing, but still when the dog comes to you, they need like their dressing to be taken care of and all of that. She's like, yeah bro, of course, cool, I'll take care of everything. They've put this dog in a train from I think Jaipur or somewhere to Mumbai. She's come and
I can just imagine a dog
ट्रेन में बैठा है.
waiting at the
So
station for the train to come with like a bag. Someone must have gotten the dog, na?
yeah.
The
This
dog has sat
person-
in the train.
God खुद से ट्रेन में आ रहा है क्या?
Sorry, a person came with the dog.
नॉन एसी का टिकट लिया है डॉग ने.
नहीं.
Sorry.
No, they've sent a caretaker with the dog. They've reached here. They've dropped the dog off, and then they've told us saying that you need to take care of the dressing, and the dog is still unwell. And they, obviously the dog is also traumatized after being run over, such a long train journey.
हाँ.
So she's gotten the dog, and I think within like a day or so, she's made a reel saying in my hot mom era with the dog, like holding the dog. Her boyfriend has made a reel saying I'm a dad, I'm scared, but I'm a dad, and something like that. These reels have now been deleted, obviously. Ye sab. Why is he laughing?
Go on.
It's just so bizarre, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is quite bizarre. After all of this, there is like a message thread which she's like, the girl has told the caretakers that we cannot take care of the dog. I thought we could do this, but my boyfriend is not up for this. He cannot. He cannot.
can't. She also can't.
She said she can't do it alone. And she needs his help, and he's not down for this. So she's offered to send the dog to her parents' house, where there is like, there's a big play area for the dog and this and that. So these guys are like, bro, listen, don't do this. Just send the dog back to us. Now she has apparently taken care of all the travel expenses of the dog. Someone has again come, taken the dog back. So now the agency, they made a reel about it, saying that, this has gone down. And our like puppies are not for show. You can't just get a dog to your house, and for 2 days it's like a trial period.
Ship it back like it's an Amazon.
Exactly. like what is wrong with you? Where is your basic
Yeah.
basic decency, bro?
Yeah.
Okay, Arnab.
नहीं यार, कुत्तों के साथ बुरा मत करो.
Yeah.
To
The
play
sheer evil nature of this act.
Yeah. नहीं, but to play the.
Where is the accountability?
मारेगा अभी उठ के भाई. I was saying to play the devil's advocate. She could have like.
Don't play the devil's advocate. Then.
नहीं, but like good ना. She realized fast कि we can't deal with this.
नहीं,
Send it
तो
back.
Now
हाँ.
Oh, there's more.
there's more.
But wait.
After all of this, they have found. So the agency has called up another agency and said, this has happened. And they're like, oh, the same woman has inquired twice before to adopt a cat. And every time we're about to dispatch the cat to her house, she says no.
Dispatch the cat.
Like we're about to send it, she's like, no, let's
Now
not
it's the
do
cat
this.
at the station.
She's so invited like animal families to the city.
So this is basically
Start a
like
new life.
it's like history.
कुत्तों और बिल्लियों में उसका बात चलता रहेगा कि भाई
इसके घर में मत जाओ.
ये कभी बुलाया तो देख ले भाई.
Is there more? Is there more?
No, the funny part is the reel that she had made before this, which has gotten like a lot of. Do we discuss that or not?
Yeah, so my problem, I think the dog thing is okay. I mean, it's wrong. It's obviously wrong, but they're young people. They thought they could take responsibility. Like they fucked up. होता है, गलती सबसे होती है. It is still wrong.
Yeah.
You should be sure before doing such a thing. Agar if you're not sure, and then it bothers me that you get the dog and then you make a bunch of reels, and then it's just like okay.
They apparently didn't even feed the dog on time because the boyfriend was feeling feverish. कुत्ते को खाना खिलाना भाई.
तू ये random
Investigation
भाई
किया
वो बंदे
किसने?
ने बोला है like
नहीं,
the guy
but this
who's-
is more in-depth research than
Like,
like,
my thing is कि I'm pretty sure this happens with other people also who are
Of
not
course.
creators. कि
हाँ.
they think they could take care of a dog and they get the dog and they're like, fuck, this is tough. Gotta send it back. I'm sure it happens all the time. It's wrong. It's not cool. It obviously gets more attention when a creator does it. So this is me being the devil's advocate. My problem with this whole thing is this girl has made a reel before this about how nice her boyfriend is and how much he takes care of her.
It says things my boyfriend did for me or something.
My problem is with content like that in general.
why?
क्योंकि bro, these girls, their boyfriend will do one nice thing for them, ठीक है, and they get excited and they make a reel about it, and then they put it out into the world, and then these other girls are sitting and watching it, and they're like, "Arey, everyone's boyfriend is so nice. Everyone's boyfriend is doing so much for them." And then then their idea of love and taking care of someone comes from just like Instagram reels of this one good thing that one boyfriend from somewhere has done. That shit bothers me, bro.
No, I wouldn't know how that feels, but I sense that it's a problem. Boyfriends must be facing. Okay.
It's not a problem. I know my responsibilities as a boyfriend, and I know how I do my best to take care of my partner and be loving and whatever. And also, I'm saying कि it's just like कि अगर अभी उसके comments में तू जाके देखेगा वही रील के comments
It's too funny, bro.
Everyone is like, oh, I can't, I'm not believing a single word you say. Your boyfriend can't take care of a dog. How can he take care of you?
It's a PR disaster.
But now everyone's forgotten about it. Like, she's posted ever since, and all the girls are like, "Oh my god."
What is she posting about right now?
She posted one written carousel about explaining this whole thing. 20,000 like hai uspe, and people are like, "You go, girl, we're with you." Such bad things happen to good people. I'm like, "Bencho, chute ho gaya tum log." Like, this is so stupid, bro.
I am.
No, I am genuinely pissed off because people can't be siding her.
Suvi has a soft spot for dogs.
Yeah.
So that's
Only
why I
for
think
dogs.
he's extra.
Only for dogs.
Suvi is a dog.
Yeah,
Deep down.
I am truly appalled sometimes by the amount of stupidity there is online. It is so stupid. This whole thing is so stupid.
That's a deep take.
It's a fucking
Bro helped us with words.
It's so stupid. It requires no more words.
Yeah.
It is and people are going and watching this.
देख भाई मैंने बोला बच्चे लोग हैं बच्चों से गलती
नहीं करो ना गलती सब लोग करते हैं and people should forgive them.
But then if you make a mistake and you do something stupid,
Yeah. No, but
let us have some
see
fun.
yeah.
Let the public have some.
Yeah.
नहीं, हाँ.
हक दिया है तो लोग गाली हम भाई
गाली खा के हम माफ
Bro, we
कर
get
देंगे ना.
shit every time we post
every
stuff.
once in a while we post something that is kind of tone deaf or like
It's not even tone deaf sometimes.
It could be perceived
इतना
as.
भाई अभी हमने क्या 200 कुछ तो एपिसोड किए हैं.
अरे यार,
एक
but we
एपिसोड
are-
2.5 घंटे का 1.5 घंटे का रहता है हम
Yeah.
शूट करते हैं. At least 90 minutes so we are shooting.
Yeah.
Some stupid shit तो comes out of our mouth.
Of course.
Then we put it out, people then हमको गाली पड़ती है फिर हमको लगता है कि हाँ मतलब maybe this was wrong. Sometimes it wasn't wrong. Sometimes whatever. So this cycle is okay. I feel like it's a good. Don't feel bad and all then if you do something stupid and people call you out.
Yeah, I feel like if we have the freedom to pick up something and say it the way we want, I feel the audience has that
The
same
same-
freedom and they
the
can
same,
express themselves as freely as they please. But the strangest thing about this is the commodifying of the dog. Let me hire a injured animal and sell it for views and
I
then
don't think that
just
was the
send it back.
intention.
Whether it's the intention or not,
But तू
people
बोला
who
चार
are
reel ना. चार
people
reel बोला
are
ना.
people who are
चार मतलब रहेगा ना, दो तो रहेगा, एक दोनों के साइड
and
से
what
फिर
kind of
stories और
pansy
सब
is
भी है
their
ना
boyfriend?
उसमें.
Like,
Fancy.
fever hai, I don't know, what is that?
Yeah, I mean,
What
a
a
man-
bunch of dorks, bro. Very honest.
like, are they the first people to use a pet for views?
No.
100%.
I am not aware of anyone, but whoever's doing it is not
नहीं,
doing
you can
something
use your
right.
pet for views, bro. People use their wives and all and husbands for boy. उससे पहले तो boyfriend का view निकाल रही थी वो.
Yeah.
तो ठीक है
But,
मतलब to make your content, do whatever you want. It's your
A
content.
boyfriend by is a consensual adult who knows what is happening and is willing full while she says, hey, can we shoot this? And he's like, yeah, I want the views too. You know, when in the dog doesn't know what's going on. He thinks he's getting a home maybe. He thinks I'm saved.
Poor guy is just.
I'm saved here.
How stupid of that dog to think
क्या
that
बेचारा
someone who's making them travel all this while would actually give them home
बहुत
and take care of them.
simple minded प्राणी है वो bro. He will not think more than what he's made to think.
He must have been happy. He's like, fuck, views are coming.
Yeah, imagine the dog is thinking.
मस्त घर मिला है
They gave me
भाई.
a home and clout.
यार whoever makes content, please don't do such things यार. It's not like we are some saints and we do very nice things here, but like it's here at least it's out of jest and all. We're not like we don't mean most of the stuff, and
We
I
should
feel
get
like
a dog now.
No, no.
नहीं,
We should
but
not.
We
with
shouldn't
the-
get a dog in
And
this
take
house.
care of it.
This house we cannot get a dog.
We're already taking care of too many dogs in this house. But वो छोड़, मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि there are dog accounts ना, कुत्तों का Instagram accounts that make money.
Yeah. Business है वो.
Those are owned by people.
Bro, dogs are at
Really?
least okay, bro. Like a dog, if you're making content out of a dog and you're taking care of that dog, giving that dog a good life, like that dog is a star, bro.
yeah,
उसको पूरा
exactly.
vanity सब मिल रहा है अच्छा, तो अच्छी बात है
वो
ना.
अच्छा
Does he
वो कुत्ता
understand?
अच्छा जीवन जी रहा है भाई.
डॉग का ना अगर तू ठीक से पाल रहा है डॉग को और तू फिर भी लाइक आई सी पीपल मेक देयर डॉग डू ट्रिक्स एंड ऑल एंड दोज वीडियोस हैव लॉट ऑफ व्यूज उस वो डॉग का कुछ नुकसान नहीं हो रहा है इसमें लाइक वो
He's
डॉग को
having
मजा
fun.
ही आ
He's
रहा है
having
Dog
fun.
का छोड़, people have babies and then turn their babies into a baby account. And
Oh yeah, that's weird.
You've seen those Chinese babies with the big cheeks.
Yeah.
And
It's
then,
only about their baby. But then what are they saying? They're just saying, "Oh, look at my cute baby."
So
Like-
you
like
get
they're-
to see a baby grow up in real time.
Correct.
I mean, I guess
It's
is
like
that
that
show?
one
What
cool.
is that
I mean,
movie?
it's a
There's one very cool creator like this. He's been dancing. The cool guy. You guys have seen him or what?
that cop who came here.
No, yaar.
The cool guy who came here is the
Throwback.
That's the only cool guy has been here.
those AI videos.
No. There is one white boy who's been dancing for like the last 5 years. He dances very well.
Non-stop.
Nahi,
Oh, is that guy with the hair?
No.
No, yaar. He posts reels. He's really good.
Okay.
I'll find his account later and send it to you guys. But now, like, you know, everyone in the
Dharmesh sir.
comment. नहीं यार धर्मेश सर नहीं.
धर्मेश सर का वो सारे वीडियोस आ रहे हैं ब्रो अभी मेरे रील्स पे.
Lovely. Grand salute.
क्या आप भी धर्मेश हो? अरे मैं ही धर्मेश हूँ. He's so cool, bro. Dharmesh, bro. We should totally get him.
Dharmesh sir.
I love Dharmesh. He was so dope.
But my point being that this boy has like everyone's watched him grow up. So in the comments that like I feel like a proud uncle because I've seen
I know
him.
who you're talking
You know who I'm talking
He
about,
does
na?
The shuffle. No,
The
not
shuffle.
nahi.
The one with the small glasses.
Floss.
Yeah.
That one, that one.
Correct.
अरे that
अरे
kid who-
dance पता
Oh,
है
the
मेरे को?
Fortnite
अच्छा,
dance.
अच्छा.
Oh, yeah.
But it's not the same kid. It's another kid.
Okay.
It's not the backpack kid.
How many
Another
little kids do you follow?
No, but this guy's actually damn cool. If I find his account, I'll send it to you.
If I find it.
The cops will find you.
Abey, yeah.
Who the fuck is this guy?
Yeah,
हाँ
but
मैं बोल रहा था भाई कि
हाँ.
बच्चों को एक्सप्लॉइट करते हैं कंटेंट
Yeah,
के लिए, तो
yeah.
कुत्तों को तो नहीं छोड़ रहे हो.
But is it is a bit of a grey space because some parents I see really cute videos of them just documenting their kids. You know, they don't. Really, I don't see brand deals with them. And
But
even if they do
that's-
get brand deals, how bad? How's like?
I think it's a
Bad
personal,
stuff.
personal choice. कुछ लोग तो वो हार्ट इमोजी डालते हैं बच्चे के मुंह पे. You've seen those?
do not show face.
Yeah.
Yeah.
तो मत ही डालो ना.
हाँ ना फोटो ही मत डालो ना वेंचर.
Bro, this
बुरा
guy
लगे
is
तो इसको देखना है.
disappointed today. Man.
I have come sad
Pooja,
today.
I want to see the baby.
Show me the damn baby, man.
No, it's so stupid. You're posting a photo and posting some big
Arey,
thing on the face.
the mother is happy to be with her baby somewhere, bro. Just let
तो
her.
crop करना.
There is this one account though. एक account है. There's this man who shows his daughter, like the daughter must be like 5-6 years old, in different situations. Like it's a parenting account.
Okay.
So that kid is throwing a fit.
हाँ.
कि नहीं, I want to go here.
अच्छा,
or
वो सिखा रहा है
हाँ,
कैसे
and then he's
parenting
like,
करना है.
and then he'll pause and then there's a voiceover. Okay, it's like in this moment I could have lashed out and I could have acted or I could have put my foot down and shown authority, but I'm just gonna not do anything and let the kid only realize. So then he does that full situation ka
Breakdown.
breakdown from how the kid stops acting out and then they come back and the video ends with like say the kid apologizing, saying I'm sorry, I love you. Or it's like
That's-
too
that's
good,
smart.
bro. And the comments are just like parents saying thank you for like.
It's like parenting 101, right?
Yeah, it does sound like it's some good educational content.
हाँ.
But is it? It feels too
No, again, I don't see
That's
the
cool,
child
that's
curated.
being harmed
like
in
ऐसा
content
perfect
like this.
ending भी हो रहा है इसमें हर.
No, sometimes like there's
Okay,
no
okay.
perfect ending. Or
Child is like,
and then
"Fuck
he's
you."
Like, okay, now.
मैं नहीं बोलेगी sorry.
And then end में.
She doesn't learn in that episode.
हाँ, तो then sometimes end में it's like, okay, as a parent now I have to put my foot down. The child is acting.
रील खत्म हो गया. जाओ सो जाओ. You guys have been getting Swara award.
Swara?
Swara is this new first country.
The only problem that I have with content like this, obviously it's educational, helpful, but that kid is again not consenting to this. So once the kid grows up, and they're like, hey, I don't want to be on your Instagram. Like, I don't want you to document me acting out and lashing out for the world to see.
But ऐसा थॉट आएगा भी क्या उसको?
शायद
She's
आ
just
सकता
been
है.
doing it her entire
नहीं आ
life.
सकता है bro. Maybe she starts getting recognized on the street and she doesn't want that kind
Like
of
Britney
attention.
Spears type situation.
कुछ भी.
Like, you know,
Britney was at like a global level. This is real.
I
हाँ, but you
reels
could
go global, man. Now.
it
But
could
this
go,
shit
na?
is crazy, bro, that Ryan's Toys reviews.
Yeah, even
you
asking
know,
about Ryan only.
No,
Ryan's Toys reviews was at one point, I think, one of the most.
It was the biggest channel
a
on
child
YouTube.
reviewing toys.
Yeah, most highest generating revenue.
Now Ryan has
generating.
grown up thoda, but then like they became so big that they made a full feature film also, like
What the?
Ryan's Adventures or something. Like it was probably the worst film ever made. I think on IMDb it's probably
Like
the
2
lowest
or
rated
something.
film ever. It's
But
just like a
YouTube content में चल
He
रहा
used
था.
to only review
Nahi,
toys.
they
as a kid.
released it in theaters and all. It was like a proper film. It was
Proper.
like a miss, obviously.
Disaster.
But I'm saying that's how big and that's how much money they were. Like all these toy companies would send them toys.
Yeah.
Review this, and they were making like millions and millions.
Yeah. Toys for kids.
Yeah, man, it's risky, dude, putting your kid out like that.
Right now, there's this new account this one English teacher makes with his daughter, and he'll just go to his daughter. He'll say, "Hey, Swara," and then she'll talk in this ridiculous British accent. What's up, Daddy? I will have tea today, Daddy. And all the comments are just like either they're shitting on them or they're like, "Oh, so sweet, Swara, such a nice child." And the other day, the child is just like lashing on the father the other day. That's the whole reel.
Does she still have the accent?
So then, yeah, in the accent, don't tell me what to do, Daddy, and shit like that. Then people are like, bro, can you like stop now? Like draw the line. The child is supposed to be cute, not like an annoying child.
Who the dad is posting this
The
content?
dad is it's dad's
is
account.
supposed to be cute, not an annoying child. ये कोई ऐसा random बोलेगा.
So they're
Our
like,
child is supposed to be cute, not
nahin,
annoying.
what they mean by that is they're like,
Change
don't,
it.
They're like, don't encourage this child to speak like this to adults.
Arey, who the
Just
fuck
for
are you to
views.
tell me what to do with my child?
अबे बेचो व्यूज के लेके कुछ भी करा रहे हो क्या तुम लोग बच्चे से
the fuck are you?
That's how the father must be saying.
Hey, but ये daddy का content थोड़ा fucked up तो है.
He's supposed to be an
First of all,
English teacher.
Kids shouldn't be calling their parents daddy.
That is,
What? And why does she have a British accent all the time?
I
it's
love
a
my
weird
daddy.
accent.
You all have seen that video of that girl in that some South Indian talent show.
No.
Where the kid starts crying and I love my daddy, my superhero.
Oh, that's where it comes from. My superhero.
इस पे hate आएगा अभी.
I love my daddy, my superhero.
It's a cute video, no?
उसके comments पे like that video has obviously blown up internationally, so all these foreigners are commenting on it. I love my daddy, my soup burrito, because the accent is really bad.
Hey, fuck those guys, bro. Those foreigners. What do they know?
वो क्या बच्चों को रियलिटी शो पे लाके रुलाते हैं.
खाना, bro. Fucking white
these-
dicks.
नहीं नहीं
अपने
अपन कर रहे हैं ना.
अपने इस
सबके
पे
भाई,
है।
अपने
हाँ,
Bro,
सारे.
I was-
Soap
उनके
operas.
अपने reality shows are getting out of
DID
hand.
Lil Masters.
Bro, on all of this shit, you know, all of this shit they forced them to say.
What?
So I was in a cab once, I was talking to the driver, and he was like, he used to be a singer. And then he just started singing. I was like, bro, you've got like a really good voice.
You got
So-
some nice pipes, bro.
So he told me, he's like,
Vocal pipes.
this is like Indian Idol 1 or 2, the first 2 editions.
Abhijit
में.
Sawant.
हाँ हाँ अभिजीत के नहीं है।
कैब ड्राइवर अभिजीत
नहीं
सावंत
है।
नहीं जीता तो कैब ड्राइवर बन
वो बंदा मेरे को बोल रहा था
जीता
that
जीता.
he had gotten qualified. Then for the TV round, they told him saying, come up with a sob story. And say that, you know, your life is very upset and like, you know, it's
No
sad
way.
and you are upset in life. And he's like, मेरे जीवन में कोई दिक्कत थी ही नहीं. He's like, why the fuck should I lie? So he didn't lie, and then they didn't select him for that round because they wanted an emo story. Like,
Sounds like an
on-
excuse someone who didn't get
No,
selected.
no, he
Sounds-
was
sounds
actually
like
good.
something a cab driver would say to pass his time.
This is something he
Lamba
misheard.
rider कुछ
नहीं यार.
He misheard
think,
something.
No,
I
I'm
think
with him.
he sounds like an honorable man who didn't want to Like कोई आके
Look how it turned
corporate
out.
stooge
I agree with that.
मेरे को
I
आके
agree.
बोलेगा क्या कि
हाँ, कि
मेरे
eventually-
लाइफ में कुछ sadness
सही है bro.
They're like,
सबको-
नहीं, just say that,
Yeah.
you know, you had a bad childhood.
I
He's like,
would
नहीं
have
था
said
भाई.
मैं बहुत गरीब था
Where it
मैं
got where it got him.
इसके लिए गाड़ी चला रहा है अरे fuck.
Classist. Absolute classist behavior from you.
Hey, but they bring
From
out
me
they bring out these kids, parents and all. ऐसा
Bro,
रिक्शा
first of
चला
all,
रहा है
they-
उसका डैडी
हाँ वो सब तो ठीक है.
Daddy.
or whatever.
Wait,
पापा.
that one kid said my dad hits my mom and all on the
Show पे.
तो बाप उसका ऐसा बैठा है crowd में sitting there saying
बेइज्जती हो गई.
And they aired this on national television.
भाई देख अभी बच्चा गरीब हो सकता है ठीक है. Like the kid could be poor, I get it man. They're like poor, they come and they share their story.
हाँ
Or like someone has domestic violence at home. Like you can't rule it out. It happens. Like,
It's not
you're-
funny.
आप दारू पी
बच्चों
के
को
मारता है.
बच्चों को लाके सैड गाने पे कंटेम्प्रेरी डांस जो कराते हैं वो
I
And then
used
that
to-
kid is- और फिर बच्चा रोने लगता है शो के बीच में.
I used to tear up man like ऐसा वो बेजुबा वगैरह पे छोटे बच्चे को
बेजुबान, slow
सैड गाने पे नचाओ and
Slow में
show-
रो रहा है बच्चा
show
stage
your
पे.
family
गूंगा
in the
बच्चा है और
crowd.
बेजुबा पे नाच रहा है वो.
Yeah, it's too sad. It's too sad. I don't know.
ऐसा बेजुबा पे ऐसा करेंगे.
But those kids are so
Something
talented,
will
man.
go.
Even that Karthik Aryan's jump you've seen about.
No, yeah.
Karthik, are you sure? हाँ मैं कर सकता हूँ.
क्या है ये? I don't know.
Karthik.
They make a big deal of him jumping off some
Some height. Like,
On a crash pad that.
onto he's jumping
हाँ,
onto
but
a
how
crash
much was
pad.
the height?
कुछ
What
तो-
was the height?
कुछ तो रहेगा 8-9
वो
फुट
से-
का रहेगा वो शायद.
So it's not a big jump.
And they're like, oh fuck.
and they make that slow mo. Tadam tadam tadam.
What a bunch of
When he
losers.
falls also. Tadam tadam
The
tadam.
height में. So they wanted to hype him up. ऐसा कुछ. Okay, okay.
Karthik, are you sure? He's like, हाँ मैं कर सकता हूँ.
हाँ.
Threat to Tom Cruise.
टॉम क्रूज का बाप है अपना कार्तिक. टॉम क्रूज गिर रहा है क्या क्रैश पैड पे?
बच्चों को क्या इमोशनल ट्रॉमा होता रहेगा भाई.
Yeah.
Like, वो टाइम पे तो ठीक है. फिर वो जब बड़े होते हैं तो if I was their friend I wouldn't let it go. कि याद है क्या तू गया था.
Little champ.
No man,
Little
but
champ.
Little champ.
some of those guys are still so iconic because of their appearances on the show. Like I still remember this kid Jitu Moni. I think he was from
That fat kid.
no, he was very scrawny. I think he was from Orissa. I might be wrong. And he used to do all this kind of breaking and locking and popping, all kinds of
Locking and popping.
crazy shit, dude. Insane. And he
Yeah, bro.
and a cool thing that these shows do is they find a way to retain the talent even in the as in when the show progresses.
Yeah, Raghav
Season
Jugal
one.
is a product of that.
हाँ भाई देखना क्या क्या तोड़ मचा रहा है
I
वो.
mean, yeah, he went the entire cycle.
Raghav,
Yeah, yeah.
Dharmesh,
Raghav
is-
all these guys. They
All things there is to do, he's done.
some of them are even like now judges on other shows like that Shakti Mohan and that Mohan sisters. All of them are fucking talented, bro. Shakti Mohan, Neeti Mohan, some other one. Is
I-
there.
oh,
one
wow.
more, one more.
I
sisters.
shot a brand video with Shakti Mohan.
Oh shit! When?
This is like while
Oh wait, I remember. I remember. I saw.
bro, this like all her effort. She's such a good dancer. उसने मतलब इतना ये किया and then ये सब करके she had to make a dance video with me. So she's like and she was trying to be so sweet and like be
Oh, you also danced in this?
accommodating. हाँ वो मेरे को सिखा. The whole thing is कि she's showing me how to dance and like I don't have like
The
I don't have a single groovy bone in my body, bro.
No,
मतलब
you have some.
one bone can
No,
be
no,
groovy.
no.
I can go to a
Only that one is
one
moving.
groovy bone.
It's moving like that.
first of all it's not a bone, it's a muscle.
All right then, doctor.
No, like my groove is like I can go to a rave and like
Yeah.
do girl
No, but
finger.
I love that. No one looks stupid at a rave. You can do anything
Yeah.
you want.
No, some people look really fucking stupid, bro. I
जो
feel
बंदा
like we
speaker
also
के
look
सामने
stupid.
जाके ऐसा ऐसा करता है वो-
Yeah.
Yeah, one guy is really losing it thoda extra. And he's usually near the DJ booth.
Tabang. He's just
पूरा
going
पागल हो रहा है वो.
batshit crazy. Yeah, एक बार किया है मैंने भी.
Yeah.
अपन बहुत
That
बार
happens
Yeah,
when
we
you
used to do it.
do a top off that is not required.
Yeah.
Then your body goes into when you do like a half a bleep extra.
आपकी बॉडी तो हिल रही थी पर आपका दिल नाच रहा था. That's the feeling.
और मेरे पैर तड़तड़ा रहे थे. He says this also. Who is this? Salman. Shilpa Shetty is on a panel like that who judges,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
And then she डांस हो गया बच्चे का और बहुत भारी नाचा रहा था. और शिल्पा शेट्टी says आपकी बॉडी तो हिल रही थी लेकिन आपका दिल नाच रहा था. And Salman is like wow.
क्या बात है.
Salman is my favorite, bro.
He's too funny, man.
He's too funny.
Okay, man. Salman glazing is not what I expected here.
I
He
mean
just
the
said he's too
videos are
funny.
His
funny.
comedy
But
movies
his-
are
yeah.
like actually very fun.
हाँ.
उसका
देखा है उसका कॉमेडी मैंने.
I'm gonna stop you right there.
देखा है भाई. How funny it is. You're just like taking a nap. Next thing you know, hilarious.
What are you talking about?
Nothing. Have you guys seen?
Imagine you're a black buck
Have you guys seen?
just going on a stroll.
Have you guys?
I'm gonna cut you off there.
Yeah,
Please
yeah.
continue.
Have you guys seen Palm Beach Pete?
He's on a walk in the
Shut the fuck up, man.
Hey, what's that? What's that noise?
Cut. Pasha, ये सब गौर
I
है.
can see the light.
पटाखे फोड़ रहा है कोई.
Pasha, ये सब गौर है.
क्यों भाई डरता है?
थप्पड़ से डरने लगता है साहब.
बंदूक से लगता है सांप.
Sorry.
फुटपाथ से लगती है.
Stewie, you were saying something.
Yeah. Do you guys know who Palm Beach Pete is? You will be knowing Palm Beach Pete.
Who's Palm Beach Pete?
Palm Beach Pete is this.
Sounds like some version.
Palm Beach Pete. किसी आटे का. Sorry, go.
He's a Jeffrey Epstein lookalike.
Okay.
And so a few weeks
International news.
ago. Yeah. Now we're covering. It's time for the international news
We've
segment.
covered local news.
Brought to you by Stewie.
तुम्हारे स्कूल में होता था ऐसे असेंबली
They used to read it, yeah.
लोकल न्यूज.
अच्छा लोकल न्यूज बोलते थे क्या?
पहले
हमारे में सिर्फ
लोकल
बोलते
फिर
थे.
नेशनल देन इंटरनेशनल देन स्पोर्ट्स.
क्या है भाई?
They read out the news in your assembly.
Yes,
They used to read an ours also. Once a week they would do.
मेरे
Friday
स्कूल
to
में
Friday.
मानसून के टाइम पे पानी भरता था, ठीक है. Like the drainage was fucked, so they would fill.
Send the kids to fill water. भेज दे बच्चों को.
नहीं, like
Okay,
water
those
used to fill up like
Okay,
flood type situation.
Oh, अच्छा, okay.
And my school was like there was a big wall. Other side there's just slums. So whenever the water used to fill, they would like open the wall और पूरा पानी झोपड़ी में like then the झोपड़ीs would fill up and then those people would come and like break our windows.
Well deserved.
So we used to skip the local news because it was us. We were the local news. School बंद सीधा 2 दिन के लिए.
सही बात
Windows
है.
are broken.
Damn, they vandalized your school.
Yeah.
After their houses were flooded. Goddamn right, they went to the school.
I mean,
And fucking throw all kinds of
you
shit
call
up.
it a house, okay.
Whatever, their
Damn,
residents.
bro, that's pretty sad, man.
Very, very sad. Oh, this is an educational institute doing this, huh?
Yeah,
Think
local
about it.
news.
Wow, man. International news.
Back to international news. From the
Brought to you
break.
by
Welcome
Stewie.
back.
They fixed it. It happened once. It happened
Local
once.
news.
And we're back. We're back to news from 12 years
ऐसा नहीं
ago.
क्या वो international reporters के पास जा रहे but sound में difficulty. So we're back.
Come back.
Back to you, Amin.
That's been a delay.
to make it clear, this happened once. They fixed it, and then for like as long as I was in school, there was like a whole like a canal going through our school.
Huh.
Like they had fully opened it up, so it would never
In the
fill.
school?
Yeah,
There was
yeah.
a canal going
So
through
like
He studied in Venice.
This was the playground. तो यहाँ पे ऐसा playground है और यहाँ पे school है और playground और school के बीच में there's like a hole like at least 10 feet deep pit जिसके बीच में से कनाल जा रहा है ऐसा उसमें से पूरा पानी ड्रेनेज तो हम फुटबॉल खेलते थे और
Hogwarts
the ball used to go in the canal
और वो Quidditch court उसके पीछे था.
Why are they not like covered with
what they
like
left
a mesh?
Yeah, actually,
It was a mesh.
the ball used to fall in that canal and then it's going now.
Gone,
Going, matlab, it will reach the sewage drainage. So some kid used to have to jump and go get the ball before it reached.
Fuck.
So ये सब
Crazy.
करते थे
Extreme sports.
Crazy, why?
And back to international news.
Did you ever do it? Get the ball in the sewage?
नहीं,
No?
नहीं. I was
गया
like,
ball.
let the
He
ball
was too
go, yeah.
wide for them to let him do it.
Let the ball go.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would also let the ball go.
Okay.
Back to international news. In latest news, we have Palm Beach Pete. Palm Beach Pete is. Did you guys see that video of a guy driving a sports car who looked exactly like Epstein, and this shit went viral?
No.
They were like, Epstein is still alive. Anyway,
Is it the
so
guy
then-
with the big beard?
No. He looks exactly like Epstein.
then
His
I
name
don't
is
know.
Palm Beach Pete.
Okay.
So now Palm Beach Pete has been doing interviews and he's been like on shows.
So
and
he's not
everything.
Epstein then.
He claims he's Palm Beach Pete, but
But that's
The
his
fuck
name.
kind of name is
Yeah,
Palm Beach?
so
What's his
now-
real name?
Why can't we just call him
Pete.
Pete?
But
Yeah.
he calls him. Everyone calls him Palm Beach Pete.
That's a
We'll
shit.
call him Pete na then.
Ah.
It is. So now the
Peter.
thing is, they are finding similarities between Palm Beach Pete and
Arre, Pete.
Nahi. and Jeffrey Epstein.
Okay.
Where they both have like the same teeth. They both look very alike. Then he has the same stutter as Jeffrey Epstein does. So people are like, bro, this is a little too ridiculous. And now Palm Beach Pete only makes reels saying when your friends are so rich that they can get you out of anything. And it's just him dancing, driving a car and celebrating. He'll post videos like in front of a private jet. So everyone, like at this point, everyone's just like, bro, this is rage bait. Like, this is clearly Epstein who's just trying to take the piss. So that is the latest news of Palm Beach Pete.
But that would be a very strategic way to.
So someone is like, bro, if this is his way of getting back into society, it's insane.
Yeah.
Getting back into society.
Like he was dead, no. But then how do you get a dead man back in? Like they just made it news that this is PalmCh Pete. It's
But
not even him.
अगर वो Palm Beach Pete जो है, he's living his life. Why would he bring himself to attention like that? Why would
Exactly.
he give himself spotlight?
And he's only doing it for the views. Like now he's fully milking it.
But
and
why
this
would
guy,
he do things for views? He's
this-
Jeffrey Epstein.
Exactly. So it's
If
to
he
make
is.
it less obvious, no, that it is him.
Arre, but he could just be discreet and do his thing. Or
But
Yeah.
now
like
that
your-
he's been caught, bro, what is the other way to do it? You just like double down on it, saying that
अच्छा,
you're
वैसा.
Palm
He
Beach
was
Pete.
trying to be underground,
Yeah.
but they got him, so now he's doing interviews and
So
all.
now he's
doubling
like,
down.
you know what, fuck it, I'll just double
What
down
do you
and
mean they
say I'm
caught
Palm
him?
Beach Pete.
Nobody's caught him.
Caught him as in like he's been spotted in the public light.
That was in Israel, no? Where he was spotted.
No. That was
the
another
guy
thing.
I saw was in Israel.
That was
Man with a
Ghislaine
big beard.
Maxwell's
Even she
video.
is
But that was
spotted.
like a deep fake is what they said later. Hers was a deep fake. This guy's is like Palm Beach Pete is all over.
But that woman who is in jail, she does not look anything like that Ghislaine Maxwell.
That's how it works, bro.
She looks like a dude. She looks like
Maxwell.
her jaw has changed, her nose has changed.
Ghislaine.
this news was
This news was
I'll show you all his videos.
Can we watch another channel?
I'll show you the reels.
This is why
Button change.
mainstream media is not working anymore.
Yeah, this is the kind
Palm
of
Beach
news they're
Pete.
covering.
This is not, I don't think mainstream will cover this Pat. What is his name?
Palm Beach Pete. I said his name like 100 times.
Peter.
197k followers.
He doesn't even look like him, bro.
He looks like him, dog.
क्या है ये?
तू भी कुछ
भाई
ज्यादा ही
अभी
मसाला डाल
तू
के स्टोरी
अगर
बेचता है
सर्जरी करेगा
बता अरे गया जिमी किमेल आ गया इधर
because he was on Jimmy Kimmel as well.
तू भी यार
Bro, Palm Beach Pete is Epstein.
No chance. He's too young.
No, they're
Too
the
young
same.
नहीं
They look the same,
The
bro.
He has a state
shape
code in his.
the shape of his head is not that.
He's an influencer who just looks like him.
Yeah.
थोड़ा सा.
No, he's become an influencer.
No, yeah, because he
was
couldn't
like
do anything else.
He was a real
He was
estate guy who
untalented.
made a lot of money.
He's an untalented
I don't
guy
know, bro, but-
cosplaying as Jeffrey Epstein. Either way, let's move on.
But these lookalikes in India to have a full business.
Yeah,
Sachin Tendulkar posted a reel with one of his lookalikes the other day. Like him pranking his friend.
एक विराट कोहली का भी लुक अलाइक है.
बहुत है
तो
भाई.
सब है भाई. तू go to Delhi, Delhi club, you will see at least 8.
दारू पी के सबको लगता है कोहली है.
8 विराट कोहली, 12 धुरंधर रणवीर सिंह, you will see. अभी एनिमल का करना बंद हो गया है. When Animal had come out, everyone was doing that Ranbir Kapoor ka look with the long hair and
Yeah.
the
You
beard.
can't
Full
just
beard.
automatically do that. That takes time, dude.
Now if you have
You
long
wear
hair,
it na, and you
then-
also.
Oh, if you have the long hair already.
Guys have been doing Akshay Khanna ka that. They do like paid entrances where that guy just walks in like this.
Paid entrances.
Akshay Khanna ka look alike.
He won't even look like him. He just wears that black suit, dances to the song, walks in with a cigarette in his mouth for parties. You can book this man.
You can book this.
You can book this man.
You can just give services like this.
Yeah, कुछ भी चलता है
You
भाई.
can book that gorilla also.
Oh,
You've seen
gorilla. That Bhalu is
Yeah.
too good. That
Gorilla
guy I
for
like.
wedding, no?
You've seen
Yeah,
that
yeah.
big gorilla.
Yeah. One of my friends got married with that gorilla.
Got married with the gorilla.
Like no. He had the gorilla at the wedding. Present.
Would you have the gorilla at your wedding?
No.
I think the gorilla deserves a spot, bro, at the wedding.
It'll be at your wedding.
मेरा तो होने नहीं वाला है.
क्या?
शादी.
Damn.
क्यों भाई?
That's sad, man.
Let's analyze that.
It used to be funny when we were younger. Now it's like
Abhi, now you're pushing.
Now it's concerning.
you're pushing 30, bro. It's funny when you're
Pushing
like a young
30.
edgy kid saying, "Oh, I won't get married." Well, around 30, you should be like, "Okay."
Oh.
Marriage. Tomorrow.
Yeah, not
Yeah.
tomorrow, but
You're not
it's
meeting.
something to think about, yeah.
Not meeting anyone nice.
Hell no.
But you don't have to, bro. After a certain age, like I've seen guys who will be like hitting on a girl. Like 2 months ago, they've been hitting on a girl that I know. उनका 3 महीना में शादी होने वाला है. Like once that time comes, it happens like this, bro.
हाँ.
Your parents will find you someone, or you just meet someone and you're like, हाँ भाई हो अभी तो करना है, शादी हो गया.
But maybe it comes out of desperation.
Yeah, exactly.
That's the timing. Divine intervention.
That's where
If your parents find you, you'll get married or like that.
me.
Their parent, yeah. Like,
No, why not? Why not? You
What
don't
if my
trust their
parents
judgment.
find you?
No.
His parents also will have good judgment. Even yours will have.
Yeah, but I don't know. I don't.
nahin, his,
not right
his,
now.
Mom to has a good eye whenever he brings girls home. Whenever I was
Whenever he brings
whenever
girls
I also
home.
used to bring girls to his place.
She actually knew.
say you, she's hot. Huh?
No. She would
Score you.
either be happy about it or she would give
Not
a,
say anything, then you knew.
yeah.
Yeah.
When she didn't even come and say hi, you knew you were like fuck nahi.
Bad one.
Bad.
She's failed the test.
Yeah, she failed the mom test.
The
Yeah.
mom test. It's not even Yugu's mom.
There's no way I was bringing girls to my place.
It's the first filter.
Yeah, first filter Amin's mom.
Last
She's
filter is
more
yours.
open-minded, तो फिर
Yeah.
ऐसा सोच सकता है कि यार ठीक है.
Yeah.
And then take her home.
Dude, Amin's mom was too open-minded.
Okay. Let's not get ahead of us.
Was too open-minded.
No, she used to like
But
be.
I'll tell you,
Cool
I had,
without
I
doing
had set
anything.
the stage early of what
हाँ.
to expect
Set
going
the
ahead.
stage on fire. घर पे
What to expect
पकाट
going
हो के
ahead
wheelchair
means.
पे आ गया हो.
Bro,
16 साल की उम्र.
when I was in school, I used to like be texting some hers.
Hers. Getting some
She knew like
He's like 12.
12 साल का I mean.
बड़ा सा.
on a Nokia, bro.
On the Nokia.
Ooh.
Drake.
On the Nokia, bro.
Oh, sorry.
Crazy. Good time.
Because your brother was very innocent. Like, he was the
What?
good boy in the
What?
house.
He was the crazy guy.
After he became 17, he became the good boy of the house.
Yes. After that.
Yeah.
He was nothing close to innocent, bro.
No.
Yeah.
He was
After he became 17, he mellowed down.
guilty.
He was like, I've taken it too far.
Crazy to retire at 17.
Retiring at
Retire from the
17 is
game at
insane.
Why do you all use that word retire?
Because
That's
he's
such a
not
bad word
played
to
the
use.
game since.
Yeah, he's
What do
been
you
playing
guys
different
know,
games.
bro, what he plays or what he doesn't?
That's true.
We know.
No,
We
he
have-
tells us.
We know him. Yeah,
We talk
speak
to him.
Yeah, we know what he's up to. तू बात करता है क्या अपने भाई से?
करता हूँ ना भाई,
We close to him that way.
Yeah, we all do.
रोज बात करता हूँ.
रोज
एडिट हुआ कि नहीं?
करते हो.
एडिट किधर है?
Yeah. Younger siblings are tricky, bro, to deal with.
Very true.
Younger siblings are the best.
Extremely. No, they're not. Bro.
They
You
are the
both
best,
are
bro.
younger,
The
right?
most-
You both are older.
They
we
both are older.
younger.
That's why they're speaking like this.
No, bro.
I think younger siblings are the more mature ones.
Not always.
Yeah, always.
देख
How?
इधर ही तू younger है ना?
हाँ.
तू younger है.
Of course, we're showing you.
Mature, immature.
नहीं, it's
It's a
perfectly
flip
balanced.
of a coin. When the coin flips, कुछ भी हो
How
सकता
are you
What are
calling
you
your-
taking his side for?
He's saying right.
How
Yeah,
are you,
saying
how
correct.
are you
Mature.
calling yourself more mature? Your sister is happily married, stable
Yeah,
life, stable, and you are wearing
You.
Britney Spears.
है. Bro,
How are you the more mature?
you're pushing
You're
30
not
and
really-
wearing Britney.
We don't really have a case
Britney
here.
t-shirts.
Okay, you know
You've
what?
spoken to us about Palm Beach.
Some shit.
Palm Beach Pete.
Some
Come
guy
on,
doesn't
man.
even
Palm
look
Beach
like what he
Pete
was
is
saying.
Epstein.
Yeah.
Haan,
Case and point.
real mature.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I mean, we gotta
Yeah,
bring
right.
the fun also, no? Younger siblings.
Yeah, exactly why you're immature.
Exactly why I'm the younger sibling.
The older sibling has to take responsibility for
Not-
the younger sibling.
Hey, but to
You-
be okay.
But
Yeah,
it
no,
depends
no,
on the age gap also, no?
Yeah, depends on the age gap. If it's very close, then भले हो सकता है. But
हाँ,
if there's
इनका
a-
देख.
Dekh bhai, being the older sibling, the things that you have to accommodate from the very start set you up for being a more considerate and mature human being.
Also patient.
हाँ भाई,
Be more patient.
घर पे अभी अगर पिज्जा आया है, ठीक है, तो as the older sibling,
You can't eat first.
you can eat first, but you know that the younger sibling has to get more slices than you.
What? My brother ain't giving me nothing, bro. He fucking eats all the slices.
Really?
Yeah, he gets his own pizza.
I mean,
Well, you
ठीक
can
है.
get your own
You
pizza.
can get your own pizza. You don't need to stop.
But I'm saying in general the idea is
क्या भाई,
your
कुछ लोग-
sibling eats first. छोटा मेरी बहन है या उसका भाई है तो you eat first.
last slice of the pizza, there is no way you as the older sibling can have it.
No, he has.
तो ठीक है, कुछ लोग के घर में होता है पैसा भाई, क्या करूँ अभी?
पैसे का क्या बात है इसमें?
अभी
कोई
ठीक
ना
है भाई,
कोई ना किसी को तो खाना पड़ेगा ना वो।
अरे ठीक है भाई, तेरे घर पे 2 पिज्जा आता था ना, ठीक है
नहीं,
भाई.
I feel I'm more mature
ठीक है,
than my
mature
elder
भाई.
brother. I feel like I'm more mature than my
ठीक है,
elder
कभी
brother.
some cases are different,
It's a
but
flip
I'm
of a
saying on an average it's like ऐसा होता है. So then these things, they might seem like small things, but when you
Add it
that
up.
sets you up, bro, for when you grow up. You're like, okay, ठीक है, I have to. You should take the back seat,
Yeah.
or not the back seat. Like I have to make sure everyone else is taken care of first. Then I'll see.
Hmm.
Makes you a little selfless.
No, that's true. There is more selflessness in him than there is in me.
Yeah. Only pizza is his weak.
Fast food is his weak
Keep
spot.
it in
That's
front of
actually
him.
true, dude. Like a Macca's
is-
all the time. Get a like a
Smack-
quick little paneer
smack you for
65 here and there.
Paneer 60.
He eats all kinds of funny things. चैतन्य पराठे से पनीर 65. कौन मंगाता है?
अच्छा रहेगा.
So random.
क्या पता
No,
है?
but it's you wouldn't
क्या है
think
पनीर
it's
65?
it's like
Is it like
What
chicken
is-
65?
yeah, but paneer.
What's
It's
the
yummy
number
though.
gotta
Actually,
do
it's
with
pretty delicious.
Yeah, why is it 65?
I don't know.
It's like some Chinese thing.
Dude,
no?
some woman on MasterChef made this chicken 65 and she won the whole the whole
She
round.
और वो
the
final
Master
round
Chef.
में रहेगा ना.
hard.
That's insane. It's like chakna food here. It's not.
Some guy made upma and got selected, or poha or something like that.
What?
Yeah.
Not poha.
100%.
Poha and all.
वड़ा पाव बनाया था एक बार.
वड़ा पाव
Masterchef पे.
मुश्किल है भाई बनाने.
And it looked damn good, bro. Like solid चटनी और चिली भी उसने रखा था मस्त, हरा मिर्ची.
Kill.
Kill. I would kill for a nice vada pav.
Good vada pav is rare nowadays, dude.
We haven't
We
had
haven't
only
had
good
in-
vada pav in
haven't- haven't
Mumbai.
had in a very long
मैं
time.
कभी कभी मुंबई और पुणे के बीच में खाता हूँ with chai. That बीच का place
We
has
all, yeah. It's good.
good vada pav.
Nice red mirchi on it.
Ooh.
Have a nice
तो पूरा
thick chili with salt all over it.
they have that chai which is like just too sweet, but
हाँ.
it balances the
Krishna
flavor.
will love it.
It's also hot as fuck. Steaming cup of cutting. No one cigarette after.
In this heat, how can you do all of this?
तड़प लग रहा है उसका.
That day we stopped at the highway and then we went. This guy asked for a cigarette, and that guy said 15 rupees. So I was paying, and then Krishna is like, He's lying. "Oh, what do you mean?" He's like, "It's 11 rupees."
It's 13 rupees.
13. So I scanned in the meanwhile, and that man who was like selling the cigarette, he looked at Krishna, he goes, "I hope you realize where we're standing." I was like, yo. Because
So I said, where are we standing?
the guy who was selling, you wouldn't expect him to know such
ऐसा
fluent
fluent
English.
English में
उसने झाड़ा कृष्णा
He
को.
must be watching that
Jada vida
kid's
kuch nahi.
account.
he's like,
so then what
he's like, do you know where
13 rupees, daddy.
do you know where we are? He said.
He's like, do you realize where we're standing? So
So
Krishna
I
is like,
said-
where are we standing?
where are we standing? So then he's saying, this is outskirts of the city, so we get to charge as much as we want.
We charge a premium because the supply and
So I
demand
said-
does not
ये
meet.
टपरी वाला बोल रहा है.
कुछ भी बोल रहा है.
That's cool, that's
गांड
cool.
फट गई, bro. It was too cool.
Anything he's saying, some bullshit.
And then I told Krishna, I was like, अरे तू
Fair ना,
सुट्टा मार
होता
के
है.
चल ना.
नहीं
Exactly.
होता है, वो
अरे
खुद
होता
का-
है bro. Supply and demand सोचना तू थोड़ा. किधर खड़े हैं हम?
Sorry भाई, होता
2
रहेगा.
रुपए ठीक है यार, लेने दे उसको.
नहीं होता रहेगा.
Yeah, I mean, I have a very funny story. The other day, I went for a lunch to a 5-star hotel. Okay, one of the first few
Let's
times.
go.
I've ऐसा.
How come you went?
ऐसे I went for.
अकेले क्या?
No, I went with someone.
Okay.
And then we got our.
क्या हुआ इसको?
क्या हो क्या हो रहा है?
Mature.
Immature,
Immature,
bro.
Immature. Fucking get your life
Pushing
together.
30.
Makes to be mature compilation. It's just something.
It's just me doing all of this.
Stewie immature compilation. Good idea. सबका बना सकते हैं. Yeah. So we go there, we order food, एक दो dish. Not worried about at the bill at all.
Let's go.
Not worried at all. ठीक है.
They ate less, what?
नहीं they were eating.
पानी मंगाया था इसने.
They were eating sufficiently. 2-3 things were being consumed. So then
Some drinks also?
Then I said, I'm not drinking. I'm going to get Diet Coke. You know? Diet Coke मंगा थे.
Okay.
नहीं था उधर. Diet Pepsi.
Oh.
चल ठीक है. Get me 2. मंगाया फिर everything's done. We had a lovely lunch and then getting ready to pay the bill and leave. बिल आया. देखा भी नहीं मैंने. देखा भी नहीं. सीधा दे दिया उसको. And then she points out, just look at the bill once. Said हाँ देखा मैंने. And then I noticed the price of the Pepsi, the Diet Pepsi. Just the Diet Pepsi.
Then he felt bad.
Then he realized he should be checking all the prices.
Bro, 2.4K for 2
What?
Diet Pepsi.
That's insane.
मैं 2,400 रुपए भरा है डाइट पेप्सी के लिए bro.
बहुत अमीर है भाई तू.
नहीं हूँ मैं अभी.
बहुत अमीर है
नहीं हूँ मैं अभी. I got pissed off bro.
What the
I
fuck?
got pissed off. I started sucking at like पूरा straw लेके. मैं बोला तू भी खत्म कर.
He's like
I
doing each
started
drop.
कैन खा लिया इसने.
I told her, you finished there.
He crushed
Not
the can.
one sip has to be
He crushed
wasted.
the can, put it in his pocket. Scrap में बेचूंगा.
रद्दी में जाके बेचेगा
रद्दी
अभी.
चाहिए मेरे को. And I was just like, what the hell?
1200 रुपए का पेप्सी कौन
And
बेचता है
then
भाई?
the guy came, the waiter, and then I was just making jokes about this. What else could I do? So फिर वो आता है and asked him, yeah, it's this expensive here. Like I could buy a crate. I don't know. And he's like, sir, it's a 5-star hotel, And then he just smiled at me. It's a 5-star hotel, na sir.
Then what did you do?
I said, ठीक है. ठीक है
He
भाई.
also smiled back at him.
नहीं, I had to pay.
क्या भाई?
Pay up. Yeah.
रेस्टोरेंट में मेरे को बिल का टेंशन नहीं रहता
नहीं,
कभी भी.
बिल
But
का टेंशन
मैं-
नहीं ब्रो, but would you not just be a little what the fuck is happening?
Yeah, that happens in the movie theater, bro.
हाँ, मूवी थिएटर
2000 रुपए
expensive,
का
but not this
2000 रुपए
expensive.
का पॉपकॉर्न कैसे खा सकते हैं हम?
2000 का नहीं होता है. It's usually like 800 to 1000 types.
That's still so much, bro.
Oh yeah,
तो 2 लोग खाएंगे
It's
तो
gone.
yeah. And it's too much. You don't even eat most of it.
Theaters don't make any money now,
I
bhai.
spill it most of the
They
time.
want to make money, so
Yeah,
they
do
charge
spill.
so much.
सही है. But you gotta have popcorn and
Yeah, bro. I
Coke,
love
bro.
popcorn.
Fountain Coke.
Yeah,
Coke,
but now
full
we've gotten a
size.
little spoiled with like other. You get like proper food at
हाँ,
the.
I get a
chicken
hot dog
टिक्का
also
वगैरह
midway.
क्या क्या खाते हैं? समोसा खाते हैं अपन.
Sushi मिलता है भाई.
Sushi मिल रहा है bro.
Is it good?
I haven't. Who's having sushi?
You
वाला
can't have
thing?
sushi
If
while
it's
watching a
$1,000
movie.
for popcorn, then
Yeah,
for
samosa.
sushi must be like 5,000, no?
No, it was like that range.
How much is a samosa then?
Samosa भी
300-400 रुपए का 2 आता है.
500 का 2 types scene वैसा.
Airport prices है भाई ये तो.
Yeah, I mean demand and supply, right?
भाई but no, it's unbeatable. Popcorn
Popcorn
samosa.
and Coke at the movies is perfect.
I watched Project Hail Mary.
How's it?
Oh,
Too good, bhai. Beautiful movie. Like one of those movies you go and watch and you leave the movie. You're like, bro, 2 hours
I have
well
felt,
spent.
I have felt so many emotions.
But did you watch it in IMAX
Yeah,
or
yeah.
not?
Oh, 2 hours is good, yaar. Good time for a movie.
आजकल movies 4-4 घंटे.
I watched Durandar 2. It was 4 hours long.
नहीं.
Good movie, but it's
Good,
so
good
long.
answer. Back
I
to
was-
Project Hail Mary.
Yeah.
Project Hail Mary, one of those movies that you have to go watch and you will just feel so nice about watching that movie. And you will enjoy looking at Ryan Gosling's beautiful, gorgeous face for like 2 hours.
He's
What
amazing,
a-
no,
what a-
Ryan?
What a beautiful man.
Let's go tonight, Krishna.
I
You
loved
and
I loved the story.
You want to
Lovely
go?
man.
Yeah, let's go
Project Hail-
tonight.
I thought you're going somewhere else.
No, I'm going tomorrow. Tonight we can go out.
ठीक है, we'll
And
figure.
these sci-fi space movies are usually, you know,
Yeah.
like
So many good ones. they
Cinematic
made,
shots.
bro. So many good
it's
ones.
So pleasing.
Off the top of my head only I remember.
भाई
so
द
many.
कलर्स इन दैट मूवी. एक तो
Oh.
भाई ऐसा तू बैठ के देख रहा है, बोल रहा है जो बंदा ने कलर ग्रेड किया उसको एक पप्पी दे दो भाई. सच अ लाइक सो मेनी सीन्स यू जस्ट लाइक मजा आ गया ब्रो.
Yeah.
And it's so funny. The writing is so like you're laughing throughout.
Is there a female lead also?
There's no
No.
romantic angle in this
nahi.
movie.
Oh, nothing.
Just
Nothing.
Ryan Gosling for 2 hours. straight.
Oh, he's
Yeah.
stuck
Nice.
somewhere.
So
Amazing.
good,
I want to
so
watch
good.
it for sure. I saw one PR. This one interview of Hrithik Roshan with him.
Ryan Gosling and
Ryan
Hrithik
Gosling and
Roshan.
Hrithik Roshan is telling him about Jadoo. He's like, this was our alien. And he's explaining. He's like, we should get Jadoo in one of the next movies. That would be insane.
Jadoo needs to make
He
a
can
return.
do anything, bro. Ryan Gosling.
Gosling can do anything.
Yeah.
I think one of the more slept on mainstream
He's
performers.
slept on.
No, you don't see him in the chatter with all this Chalamet and all these guys.
But
Chalamet isn't as good as Ryan Gosling.
Yeah, but he's
Not
nominated
yet.
for an Oscar.
Who?
Chalamet was nominated, no, for an Oscar.
Ryan
Yeah.
Gosling
Ryan
had his
Gosling
moment,
won
na.
so much.
He won a La La
La La
Land.
Land. He's
Oh,
one
yeah,
already.
La La
When-
Land is one.
I
And
don't
he
think
has
he won.
insane movies.
I think he
La
was
La Land
nominated,
won,
but I
no?
don't- I
La
don't
La
know.
Land won. I don't think Ryan Gosling
I don't
personally
remember
won.
him winning any major awards. Maybe I don't know enough. पता नहीं मेरे को.
Yeah, but his acting is usually like not serious ना, because he's either in a romantic role. मतलब मैंने उसके सारे movies तो नहीं देखे हैं. Like the last thing before this I saw was Barbie.
Barbie.
Which again he was splendid in.
Yeah.
Mm.
एक तो उसने कितना kill किया है bro as Ken that now when you see him you still see a bit
Ken
of
of
Ken.
him, yeah, yeah.
Mm.
And in this movie also he's a very goofy character.
Yeah.
So it's just like Ken has become an astronaut.
Yeah. You see that only.
Hmm.
I think before people would see the Notebook wala role, I think, और उसके बाद has he done anything that iconic?
Yeah, that. What is that scene?
La La Land.
What do you want?
That's Notebook.
Oh, that's
only.
Notebook.
That's
Oh,
Notebook.
fuck.
Yeah, that's
बहुत किया है उसने, मतलब movies
Yeah.
तो काफी है उसने.
yeah.
Lovely guy.
Women love him also.
Why wouldn't they, bro?
I also
Handsome,
like- I also
handsome
like
guy.
Yeah.
He's good at his job. Does good movies.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like there's now lesser and lesser of those. What do you think will happen to theaters in the future?
What do you mean?
Do you feel like they'll die? I
No
have
chance.
I have a feeling in the next. I was having a conversation with somebody from the film industry, and they were telling me that they feel in the next 5 years theaters will be dead. People will be only watching cricket and all inside it.
I don't think so. Not at all.
Maybe for a lot of films, yes, but I think for films like this, which are like spectacular,
Yeah.
people will still.
No,
go.
even a Dhurandhar people will go to watch. Even now भी Ramayana आ रहा है, वो तो definitely लोग जाके देखेंगे.
They dropped something today. Like it looked.
I thought it was a song.
insane. Huh?
Is it a song?
Rama-
It's not a song. It's like a character teaser.
And who's the character?
Ram.
Oh.
Ranbir Kapoor.
रणबीर कपूर है ना राम.
Yeah.
Crazy रहेगा वो. I think Hans Zimmer is doing the
looked
score
insane.
with
Hans
A.R.
Zimmer
Rahman.
and A.R. Rahman.
That's an
Mr.
insane
Rahman.
jugalbandi there, dude.
Yeah. You know,
Fuck,
it's the most
absolutely.
expensive Bollywood movie ever made.
Yeah. But I'm sure they'll make their money back.
पहले दिन पे.
Cast भी crazy है.
Yeah.
I've
How have they not made a crazy Bollywood sci-fi space film yet?
they made na.
Jagga Jasoos type was it?
Jaga just is not space. Is it?
I don't know, like like a
The only-
Gravity, Interstellar.
Oh,
Only-
Interstellar vibes. No. Come on, bro.
No one has
Gravity,
Yeah.
Interstellar,
I mean, there
and
are people
Project
of-
Hail Mary are insane. Like
Even Martian is a really good movie.
Martian.
बट अभी तो बना सकते हैं ना वो AI
I don't think यहाँ पे थोड़ा दिलचस्पी नहीं है ब्रो सारे सब्जेक्ट्स में शायद.
बनाया तो ऐसा कुछ पेट्रियोटिक टाइप इसरो.
They can make
They
if
should
they
make
want to
with
take
Akshay
Sunita
Kumar,
Williams or
bro.
something. They can
they
make.
made already Project Mars वगैरह.
Who made?
अक्षय कुमार है वो.
Akshay Kumar only
नहीं,
makes
तो
all these
अभी अक्षय
patriotic
कुमार का ऐसा है कि अगर he is attached to a film, you don't take the film seriously. Like he's
Yeah,
just
little
done
bit.
so many bad films. Like he will have to do a great film, like insanely good film to detach his name from just like flops.
Hera
But
Fairy
he's-
3.
He's that's also going to be bad only. There's only he's so I think he's so active also, no? You're always seeing him. So you're like, oh fuck this guy again. I love Akshay Kumar, but I can't
There's
watch.
too much of him.
We were watching Houseful. Remember that day?
You guys slept
so
off, bro.
Absurdly shit.
Half time पे दोनों सो गए, मैं अकेला बैठ के
who's
देख रहा
watching
था.
these movies?
It's
who's
maybe
finding
the
it funny?
worst houseful I've seen.
It was quite.
Worst houseful
किसको funny
ever.
किसको लग रहा है ये ऐसे पिक्चर?
भाई तू ऐसा 10 पिक्चर करेगा तो how will the quality be?
Wait, actually, to be honest, there were moments where we were giggling and all here and there.
But you're giggling at how
That's-
bad it is.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we were not
okay.
appreciating it. We were just laughing at the
Even
stupidity.
Sikandar we watched, remember? So
Sikandar?
bad. It's so bad. It's good. It's so bad. It's
ये
good.
भी I saw Netflix पे this is a category. Cringe comedy. This is a category
But
now, bro.
it deserves to be a category.
ऐसा है वो हैप्पी पटेल वगैरह क्रिंज कॉमेडी है क्या?
I don't know if Happy Patel is cringe
No?
comedy, but there is a section where you can watch cringe comedy.
Hmm.
तो अभी क्या comedy में भी there are different
Genres.
genres. Damn man, everything is just a
Subset of something.
subset of
no?
a subset.
वो Bollywood was doing brain rot before brain rot was. a
Yeah,
thing.
yeah.
Yeah.
True.
वैसा नहीं
Golmaal and all
अभी
तो was
अभी
like
they're
that
trying
only, bro.
too hard to be funny. I think
Hmm.
it's not brain rot.
Like All the Best was so stupidly funny.
All
All the
Pop
best.
movie है.
No entry.
No, yeah, all of them are so
Welcome.
stupidly funny movies.
Garam Masala.
And some movies they found a way to even integrate it into like a real story which has substance. Like if you watch a movie like Khatta Meetha,
Oh,
there's so much comedy in it.
बहुत deep
so
है वो.
much comedy,
I don't
but
know.
it's
political movie है भाई वो.
हाँ,
पूरी.
it's such a gripping film. You know,
even
there's-
even Golmaal, the first one.
First one was
Story
yeah.
कितना cool है कि ये they hang out with a bunch of blind.
अंधे couple.
अंधे-
And
couple
they
that
think the
take over
people
किया.
don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, there was a. I feel like. I just feel like they don't put effort in anything anymore.
जल्दी जल्दी turn on.
Ah.
अरे bro, they're
It's become a
making films
commodity.
and then these OTTs are just buying it.
Do you
straight
also
up
not feel
before.
like it's so like hyperly bright? All the
Yeah,
movies.
I saw this one
like
breakdown the other day.
airbrushed and there's no. Yeah. Is it about
The one
no shadows
no
in
shadows,
movies?
Yeah, he
There's
said
no,
Indian cinema they don't use play with shadows only.
कुछ इतना but everyone looks so perfect. Like we love seeing like we can appreciate Shah Rukh Khan in a Veer Zara and still feel like feel emotions that he's feeling, you know, in the film. Here like again
Now
that
everything is
Kartik
just
Aaryan
white.
movie is so fucking stupid, dude. Not one funny joke, not one interesting.
You've got the Kartik Aaryan look going.
Yeah, he's looking like this right now.
Right now, no, but he had this look for a while.
Yeah, he's cool. Yeah, I don't want to be sounding like a hateful
Why?
person, but I don't. It's just
You
they
can-
should really. We have talented people in the industry. They just don't want to work on things that are good.
ठीक है भाई. हम बनाएंगे एक दिन.
हम बनाएंगे.
बनाते हैं. When then people will say
बनाते हैं
क्या
अपन.
किया
ठीक है,
हमारा?
घाटी
Then
बनाया.
they'll take out all these clips.
Yeah.
फिर हम भी एक खराब पिक्चर बनाएंगे.
चलेगा bro.
चलेगा अभी. We'll go start scripting.
Come.
Should we start?
Yeah, let's
चल
go.
ठीक है. Who's the
I'm the director
other director? Okay.
and the lead.
He's the table of our pizza.
nice.
Okay.
Nice.
चल.
one.